event manager for Grapevine Parks and Rec, and I'm here with my two favorite 4-year-old and 2-year-old Isaac. This is Ethan and this is Isaac. Today we are going to teach you how to dye some eggs a little differently, a little bit cleaner for especially the younger ones. Can you say hi, boys?
Hi!
Hi! So here we have all of our supplies. This is what we've done is I've taken 6 eggs and I've blown them out. And then what we're gonna do is we're going to take 3 baby wipes out and we're gonna cut them in half. And then what the boys are gonna do is they are gonna actually draw on the baby wipes. Once you are done decorating your baby wipe, we then need to wrap it around an egg with a couple rubber bands to cover it completely so it can soak into the eggshell.
That is cool.
Yeah. You want to paint some eggs?
Yeah.
Okay, so while we wait for the other ones to dry, which might be an overnight thing, I wanted to give them a little something to do. Instead of just doing the dye, I was going to give them an egg, and we actually have some acrylic paints, and so we're just gonna paint our eggs.
It's rainbow. Big picture. Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining us. We're gonna let our eggs dry. He's currently copying me right now, and we'll show you the finished product. I think we're having a little bit more fun with the water and paint and getting it all over ourselves. But you know what? Dirty is fun, isn't it?